Good morning, boys and girls. I hope you're all well. I hope you've had a lovely weekend and you're ready for a new week of guided reading. This week we are going to be looking at a new book. But first, let's remind ourselves of our reading strategies. Don't forget you can use any of these you want to try and help you. Don't forget to use your eagle eye. That is when we look at pictures for a clue to help with the word, or our stretchy snakes, which is when we stretch the sounds out in a word slowly and we go back and say the sounds together. Let's try a stretchy snake of our own. Big, b-I-g. You have a go for me? Fantastic, well done. Let's try it all together one more time. Big, b-I-g. Good job. The book that we are going to be looking at this week is called The Big Carrot. Boys and girls, here is what your book looks like on Oxford Owl. Let's go have a read. The Big Carrot. Can Tom get the big carrot? Tom and Ithra tug the big carrot. Tom, Ithra, Nick, Lynn and Sam tug. Tom, Ithra, Nick, Lynn, Sam and Kit tug. Tug, tug. Up pops the big carrot. Now that I finished reading, go all the way back to the beginning for me and have a go at reading it yourself. If you are struggling, you can rewind the video and listen to me read it again, or down here on Oxford Owl, we have the audio button where they will read it to you. Now this week we are going to be doing something a little bit different. You only have 2 Kahoot quizzes this week and you now have a word search. Your link for the word search is going to be on your Class Dojo, and all you need to do is click on the link that I have sent you. So it will come up pink, The Big Carrot Guided Reading. To enter, all you need to do is join the game by entering your name. This is what your quiz will look like and all your word search looks like. And all you need to do is find the first letter of the answer. So who tries to get the carrot first? I think it was Tom. So all you need to do is find all the T's. Tom. And then you have to match the clue. Okay? If you have any questions, just let me know. Enjoy and have fun!